Hello, students and colleagues. Myself, Rajiv Gupta from SMT MD Patel Institute of Physical Science and Research, Anand. I am teaching the course here MSc Organic Chemistry, Semester 1. A subject which comes into this course is Organic Chemistry First, which contains its subject code as PS01 CCHE22, the unit number 4, which I am taking here, which is related to aromatic substitution reactions using electrophiles and nucleophiles. The Today's lecture is based on the general mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction. These reactions we have seen in earlier lecture. In its first part, we have considered these reactions, general mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitutions, where we see two-step mechanism. In first step, the formation of benzenium ion, and in second step, deprotonation. So these both steps, where this first step is the addition of electrophile and this second step is the deprotonation or removal of hydrogen, these both steps are combinedly called substitution. So overall the reaction which is occurring on aromatic substrate in presence of electrophile is called as aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. So we see these reactions in an earlier lecture, in a previous lecture. Halogenation, nitrogen sulfonation we have already seen. Now we will see Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. These all we have seen. Now, Friedel-Crafts reaction, there are two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction has been shown, which are alkylation and acylation. This is alkylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, where an alkyl group will be added to this aromatic system and substitute a hydrogen atom from here. Preparation of alkyl benzenes from alkyl halides and a Lewis acid. Okay, this is the generation point of electrophile, where we see carbocation electrophile. This alkyl benzene will be prepared using alkyl halides as reagent, Lewis acids as catalyst, and these aromatic benzene rings or other rings as substrate. So in these first, initially these alkyl halides and Lewis acids will react to each other. Okay, these alkyl halides and Lewis acids react to each other and form carbocation as electrophile. So this alkyl group will be converted into a carbocation, positively charged ion. Okay, so this is the one method where Lewis acid is used. There are some other methods are also present, which we will see in next slide. The role of anhydrous aluminum chloride is to generate a stable carbocation complex. See, here we will use, or we generally use, anhydrous Lewis acid, because if somewhat moisture or water is present in the reaction mixture, then the reaction will get failure. Okay, so the reaction mixture should be completely water free, should be moisture free. So all these things should be moisture free or anhydrous. So anhydrous aluminum chloride is used, and the generated electrophile, that carbocation will be stable if the system is anhydrous. Suppose if somewhat water is present in this reaction mixture, then this carbocation will react with water and maybe alcohol or other type of compounds could be formed, some other side products could be formed. So this is the simple reaction where this benzene work as substrate, aromatic ring, here RCl, that is alkyl chloride, this is alkyl chloride, work as an reagent, and this AlCl3 work as catalyst or Lewis acid. With this combination RCl and AlCl3, we get R plus carbocation. That R plus carbocation will attack on this aromatic ring system and substitute hydrogen atom. So we will get this aromatic product with alkylated. So it is an alkylation reaction. For CH3Cl and 1 degree RCl, Lewis acid base complex itself serve as electrophile. Okay. 1 degree RCl means this chloro group present on 1 degree carbon atom in alkyl group, means that alkyl group will be 1 degree, or CH3Cl. These both generates electrophile in Lewis acid base complex itself. Okay, means this RCl and this CH3Cl would make a complex with Lewis acid by the transfer of some electron density from this chlorine atom to this Lewis acid. Okay, so this chlorine which contains lone pairs on it means halogens, it could be bromine also. Halogen which contain lone pairs will provide electron density or this lone pair towards this Lewis acid and form a complex, one type of complex. This complete complex will work as an electrophile, where this carbon of alkyl group which is directly attached to this chlorine atom becomes somewhat positively charged. That carbon atom which directly attached to this chlorine, because the bond formation or electron transfer from chlorine to this Lewis acid, this carbon Cl bond becomes very polar and positive charge comes on this carbon atom. So this alkyl group itself work as an electrophile. So complete complex work as an electrophile here. For 2 degree and 3 degree RCl, see, we know that the stability of carbocations are different depending on the structure of that carbocation. If carbocation could be 1 degree, carbocation could be 2 degree or 3 degree depending on the carbon atom, presence of positive charge on carbon atoms, that could be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. And we know that 3 degree carbocations are more stable than 2 degree carbocations, and 2 degree carbocations are more stable than 1 degree carbocation. And we know that 2 degree and 3 degree carbocations are very stable in the reaction mixture in their isolated form or separated form, means there is no complexation is required for 2 degree and 3 degree alkyl chlorides. So for 2 degree and 3 degree RCl or alkyl chlorides, Lewis acid base complex reacts further to furnish 2 degree and 3 degree. Okay, means here rearrangement is also possible, where it will be seen in incoming slides. Carbocation respectively due to the increased stability of such carbocations. So Lewis acid base complex reacts further to furnish 2 degree 3 degree carbocations respectively due to the increased stability of such carbocations. Now this is the simple mechanism of alkylations, where in the first case, in the first step, we can see that here this Lewis acid and this alkyl chloride reacts to each other and form a type of complex, one type of complex, where we can see that this chlorine atom provides its electron density or lone pair towards this AlCl3 side because it is Lewis acid, and it becomes somewhat positively charged, and now this carbon chlorine single bond becomes highly polar, and here at this carbon atom the electron density also reduced, so this portion becomes somewhat positively charged and this is negatively charged. Now actual site of the electrophilic addition, electrophilic substitution is this site. Now in the electrophilic substitution reaction, in first step this complex electrophile attacks on this aromatic system. Okay, here the chosen reagent is 1 degree chloride. See, this is primary alkyl chloride. Primary alkyl chloride, primary means that is 1 degree alkyl chloride. Okay, simple you can say that it is a ethyl chloride. Okay, it is ethyl chloride. So both the carbon atoms in ethyl chloride are 1 degree. Both the carbon atoms are 1 degree. So there is no possibility of rearrangement because no 2 degree or 3 degree carbon atoms are present in this molecule. So this complex attacks on this benzene ring, and we can show the movement of electrons like this, where this carbon atom is highly positively charged because of polarization or shifting of these electrons from this side to this side. So these pi electrons goes to this on this carbon atom. Okay, we will not show on this carbon atom which is directly attached to this chlorine atom, because this carbon chlorine single bond is highly polar. Okay, now by this movement this carbon chlorine bond, which is highly polar bond, breaks, and this Cl atom goes with this AlCl3 and form AlCl4 minus anion, and this adds to this portion. This alkyl carbocation adds to this carbon atom, and here a positive charge we can see. This is the sigma complex or arenium ion, benzenium ion. In the second step, this AlCl4 minus work as base and captures or abstract this hydrogen at H plus ion, and these sigma bonding electrons shift towards this inside the ring and completes its aromaticity. Okay, now this is the simple preparation of ethyl benzene. See, if we have used here ethyl chloride, so what we get, it is ethyl benzene. Okay, now see the second example. The reagent is different, that is tertiary alkyl chloride. This is tertiary butyl chloride. See, 1 2 3 4, total 4 carbon atoms, and this central carbon atom which is directly attached to this chlorine atom is 3 degree carbon atom, and it is tertiary butyl group. Okay, this is tertiary butyl chloride. When this reacts with AlCl3 and form this type of complex, and after this after removal of this AlCl4 minus, we get this type of tertiary butyl carbocation. This tertiary butyl carbocation is a 3 degree carbocation, so it is very stable carbocation, so we can show it as a separate moiety. Okay, it was 1 degree alkyl carbocation, ethyl carbocation, it was 1 degree, so we have shown here as complex, but here we can show it as a separate intermediate. Now this tertiary butyl carbocation attacks on this benzene ring aromatic system and form this type of intermediate, that is sigma complex, and the process is same. In first step, attack of electrophile, and in second step, removal of this hydrogen atom as H plus ion. Now this is the tertiary butyl benzene. Okay, this is the tertiary butyl benzene. Now see this reaction where the substrate is same, that is benzene, but the reagent is different, which is 1 chloropropane. See, this is one chloropropane, the chlorine atom is attached to this 1 degree carbon atom. See, this reagent also contains a 2 degree carbon atom. See, this central carbon atom is 2 degree carbon atom and this is 1 degree. 1 degree carbon, this is 2 degree and this is 1 degree. Now when this reaction takes place in presence of this Lewis acid, we get isopropyl benzene instead of n-propyl benzene. See the difference. We here the attachment should be like this, means this benzene ring should be attached to this 1 degree carbon atom, but actual product is 2 degree product, where this benzene ring, this phenyl, is attached to this 2 degree carbon atom. So how it is happened? Because of the rearrangement of carbocations. We know that carbocations rearrange itself to attain more stable carbocation. Carbocation rearrangement is seen in case of alkyl halides. Okay, as this example is shown. What is actually happening here? When this reagent reacts with AlCl3, then 1 degree carbocation is formed. Then here 1,2 hydride shift takes place on this 1 degree carbocation, and this positive charge goes to add this 2 degree carbon and we get 2 degree carbocation, which is more stable carbocation than 1 degree carbocation. So due to this rearrangement we get different product. We want to get 1 degree product, but actually we practically get 2 degree product. So this is the disadvantage of this alkylation reaction because of this rearrangement. The alkyl benzene product is more reactive than benzene, so polyalkylation occurs. This is the second disadvantage of this alkylation reaction. See, this is the reagent. Reagent is alcohol and the boron trifluoride is an Lewis acid, and it gains electron density from this oxygen atom, and HOBF3 removes from here as a negative ion, and positive charge comes on this 2 degree carbon atom. Okay, now the already formed this 2 degree carbocation attacks on this benzene ring and form this isopropyl benzene. Further, we know that this isopropyl benzene, which is a simple alkyl group, has plus I effect, means plus inductive effect. That plus I effect increases electron density inside the ring system due to pushing these sigma bonding electrons towards this ring. So due to this increased electron density, these pi electrons are easily available for further electrophilic substitution reaction. So the presence of reagent in the mixture which is generating this electrophile could react on this already reacted product, already reacted reactant. Okay, so this product itself work as reactant in this reaction mixture. See, this already formed product itself is a good reactant for further electrophilic substitution. So we know that alkyl groups are ortho and para directing. Okay, so ortho and para product could be obtained, but ortho, if we get ortho product, then there could be a steric hindrance between these two bulky groups, two isopropyl bulky groups. So the para attack is more favorable. So we get para di isopropyl benzene in this case. So we get a extra product in this case. With this we want to get this, but with this we get a polyalkylated product, means more than one alkylation occurs in a reaction mixture. So In this reaction of alkylation, we also may get polyalkylation. So this is also a disadvantage because here we get many reaction products. Okay, we required only one product, but we get many products. So their separation will also is not so easy process. So this polyalkylation is also a very big disadvantage of alkylation of these aromatics. These alkyl groups has plus I effect as I described. Now this is the another example where vinyl halides and aryl halides do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, this is the exception of case of carbocation where this type of carbocation will not form this type of reaction because this will not generate carbocation, because if Cl goes to this AlCl3 and here a positive charge happens, so this type of vinyl carbocation formation is not possible. So vinyl chlorides and aryl chloride, this type of reagents could not be used or do not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation because vinyl cations cannot be generated. Okay, generation of these type of vinyl cations or these aryl cations are not possible, so this reaction is not possible. Poor yields are obtained if powerful electron withdrawing group is present on aromatic nucleus. See, this is the third disadvantage of this reaction. Suppose as a reactant we use a substituted benzene, means a nitrobenzene, this quaternary ammonium salt like containing compound benzaldehyde, this highly electronegative group containing benzene or sulfonic acid. These type of all groups, these nitro group, aldehyde group, sulfonic acid group, these all groups are highly electron withdrawing group, means this group reduces electron density inside the ring, inside the aromatic ring. So this ring becomes less reactive for this alkylation reaction. So the obtained yields are very poor. So this reaction is not good for these type of reactants. Okay, due to lesser reactivity of these substrates towards the alkyl carbocations. So this is also a drawback or disadvantage of this reaction. Other sources of carbocation are alkenes plus HF or alcohol plus BF3 or alcohol plus H2SO4. These are other electrophile generators. Alkene plus HF, this combination will also give a carbocation. Alcohols plus BF3 also will give a carbocation, as we have seen earlier here. See this reaction. And alcohol plus H2SO4 will also give a carbocation. So these are also some carbocation generators. So there are not only alkyl chlorides, there are also another ways to generate electrophiles as seen here. This tertiary butyl alcohol reacts with this sulfuric acid, where sulfuric acid provides H plus ion, means work as acid, which adds on this oxygen atom. This oxygen atom provides lone pair to this H plus ion and forms OH2 plus. This OH2 plus ion removes as neutral water molecule and left plus charge on this carbon atom, on this central carbon atom, and makes this as a tertiary butyl carbocation. This tertiary butyl carbocation works as electrophile and attacks on this aromatic system and form this type of product, substituted product. Now the second is acylation. First one was alkylation. Now this is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions have more advantage over alkylation reactions, which we we'll see in these slides. Now what will happen here, in acylation, the acylinium ion, means this acyl group which contains a positive charge, will act as an electrophile. Here replacement of hydrogen in aromatic nucleus by an acyl group will happen. Synthesis of aromatic ketones from acyl halides and the Lewis acid, usually AlCl3. See, here the product will be an aromatic ketone. See this type of, this is aromatic ketone, and the substrate is normal aromatics, could be benzene, and this acyl halide is reagent here, and this Lewis acid is as catalyst. The combination of these both, acyl halide and Lewis acid, will prepare this electrophile, that is acylinium ion, by the removal of this halide ion or capturing this halide ion from used by this Lewis acid. So acylinium ion is the electrophile in these acylation reactions. See this simple reaction. This is acyl chloride. Here R could be any alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, anything. Here this AlCl3 and Cl reacts, both reacts and captures this Cl from this side and remaining portion as a acylinium ion. See this reaction, generation of electrophile, where these both react to each other, and the electron shifting we can show here. These chlorine will provide electron density or its lone pair to AlCl3 like this. We can see that as Cl-AlCl3 bond formation takes place simultaneously, this carbonyl carbon and chlorine single bond breaks. This process occurs simultaneously. Okay, so in this process these electrons shift towards this side and this bond breaks, so we get this type of acylinium ion. So we can show two types, two resonating structures of acylinium ion, where carbon triple bond oxygen or carbon double bond oxygen type bond we can see. Suppose these pi electrons goes to back on this oxygen atom, then positive charge comes on this carbonyl carbon. So actually here the electrophilic site is carbon atom, carbonyl carbon atom, on which partially positive charge is present. So here this electrophile, which is acylinium ion electrophile, attacks on this aromatic system. The pi electron density moves to this carbon side and these electrons move toward this side, and we get this sigma complex. Okay, now in second step, the base which is present in reaction mixture captures this hydrogen as H plus ion, and these sigma bonding electrons shift as a pi electrons, pi bonding electrons, and aromaticity is completed, aromaticity is restored. So the formed product is an aromatic ketone. Okay, depending on this R alkyl group, these could be different types. So simply we will get acyl benzene. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, no Polish substitution is seen, as carbonyl group is electron withdrawing and makes aromatic ring less electrophilic, and AlCl3 forms complex with the carbonyl group, further preventing the reaction. See, we know that acyl group, which contains a carbonyl group, carbonyl portion, that is electron withdrawing group, which decreases electron density inside the ring system. So the ring becomes less active, or it becomes deactivated towards further electrophilic substitution. So further electrophilic substitution in the formed product is not happened. So this is the very good advantage of this acylation reaction over alkylation reaction, where further polyacylation, we can say polyacylation, could not happen. Okay, and also we know that this carbonyl group of acyl is a meta directing, so it is deactivating group, so further alkylation acylation will not possible. The same result is obtained in acid anhydride is used instead of an acid chloride. Instead of acid chloride, another acid derivative, that is acid anhydride, could be used. Okay, this will give the same type of reaction. Finally we will get this acylinium ion. That acylinium ion will work as an electrophile which reacts with aromatic system. The acylinium ion intermediate is resonance stabilized and does not rearrange like a carbocation. See, this was the first drawback of we have seen earlier, that there is a rearrangement in alkyl carbocation, but in acylinium ion or acylinium carbocation there is no rearrangement is possible, means possibility of rearrangement is zero, because this acylinium carbocation is resonance stabilized. Total two resonating structures are possible for this carbocation, where we can see this triple bond, and in second resonating structure we see double bond and positive charge on carbon atom. So these two resonating structures are possible. So further any shifting of hydrogen or shifting of positive charge is not possible, because rearrangement could not happen in this carbocation. It is resonance stabilized. So this is also solved here. This problem is also solved, which was present in alkylation reaction. Reaction can be used to prepare an alkyl benzene in 2 steps. Because it was not possible for alkylation reactions where 1 degree alkyl benzene formation was not possible, because it converts into 2 degree or 3 degree. But here 1 degree alkyl benzene or normal alkyl benzene preparation could be possible like this. See, what we do first, we do acylation. Okay, now we want to add this benzene ring to this 1 degree carbon atom, to this carbonyl carbon atom, to this 1 degree carbon atom. So what we do acylation reaction, and finally we get product by substitution, this acylated product. Okay, this acylated product. Now in this last step, what we do a reduction reaction, that is a name reaction, Clemmensen reduction. This Clemmensen reduction reduces this carbonyl group to methylene group. This carbonyl group converts into methylene group. Okay, this CO converts to CH2 due to this Clemmensen reduction, where these reagent are used zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. In the presence of this reagent, Clemmensen reduction process happens and this ketone carbonyl group converts into this. So see, we can get alkylated product indirectly using or through this acylation. First we do acylation and then we reduce this acylated product to this alkylated product. So this 1 degree alkylated product could not be possible in case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this is the benefit of Friedel-Crafts acylation over alkylation, where if we want alkylation on aromatic, then first we apply acylation practically in labs, and then we reduce these acylated product into alkylated, and we get our required product. So no rearrangement is possible in this carbocation, and no further alkylation is possible in this formed product. So these both problems are solved in case of acylation. The starting materials that contain both benzene ring and an electrophile are capable of intramolecular Friedel-Crafts reaction. So it is an example shown here. This reaction is intermolecular. These are intermolecular, where these aromatic ring system and these reagent system is different. But here in this type of reactant, where this type of acid derivative group is present itself in the reactant, then here intramolecular Friedel-Crafts reaction possibility occurs, where how it happens itself, this work as an acyl ion, and these pi electrons move to this side, see, on this carbonyl carbon atom, and forms this six membered carbon ring, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 membered this carbon ring. Okay, alpha tetralon, this is a example is given here. So intramolecular Friedel-Crafts reaction is also possible. Here it is acylation reaction, intramolecular acylation reaction is shown. So these are the some reactions of electrophilic substitution, where we have seen sulfonation, nitration, and halogenation and alkylation. Basically, in alkylation, for alkylation we practically use first acylation, and then we use a reduction process to convert that carbonyl group into a reduced group, that is CH2 group, methylene group. So this is the all description about some electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic compounds. Okay, thank you for listening the lecture.